Ever dream of podcast audio that sounds professionally polished, even if you recorded it in your closet? That dream is now a reality thanks to the incredible AI tools in Adobe Podcast. Here's as an example from this
In that area. Traffic is also heavily congested on the westbound Ventura.
to this.
Go in that area. Traffic is also heavily congested on the westbound Ventura.
In this video, we'll unlock the secrets of enhanced speech, a powerful feature that magically removes background noise and polishes your voice to studio-like quality. But that's not all. We'll also show you how to leverage this amazing tool to elevate your videos and projects to a whole new level. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. So, are you ready to ditch the hiss and hum and embrace crystal clear audio? Let's jump in. Head over to Podcast Adobe.com and scroll down to discover the enhanced speech magic. Click on Choose File and upload the audio you want to transform. Then, sit back and relax. AI does its thing. Wave goodbye to those pesky background noises. In the blink of an eye, enhanced speech magically transforms your audio. Unwanted distractions vanish, replaced by clean, crisp sound that lets your voice shine through. It's like stepping into a professional studio without ever leaving your home. Now you can experience podcast quality audio, no matter where you record. Enhanced speech isn't just for podcasters. Imagine adding that same studio quality polish to your YouTube videos, presentations, or even social media clips. This powerful tool instantly boosts the professionalism and engagement of your content. Don't miss out on this game-changing audio solution. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you create amazing content with the power of AI. Remember, great audio can make all the difference, so unlock your full potential with Adobe Podcast.